Hello and welcome back to another episode. And in this episode, I'm gonna unbox the products that I purchased from Temu, and they are all about the car detailing and some other stuff here and there, what I found interesting. I will put the links from the products down below into the description so you can maybe find yourself something interesting, and I will make a review of them. I want to mention that they are quite cheap, but despite this, I paid this around 90 euros. And first, this is the brush for cleaning the wheels. And these are the brushes for cleaning interiors. And let's see what kind of quality this is. And this was cheap, but the quality is poor. All of this, it is plastic, and I will use this. Second, I bought also these brushes for cleaning the interior. Yes, these are soft, and these are actually good. I bought this light. This is the license plate light that I purchased from my trailer. See if they work. Yes, they are working. Rags for cleaning interior. These are nice rags. These are really nice rags. There are, I think, 10 of them. One nozzle is normal nozzle, and here we have another nozzle. And this nozzle should make just a foam. And I purchased this just for this nozzle because I want to make a foam, the pure foam for car cleaning and detailing. These are stickers for cleaning, and you can fill with this the damaged paint on the car. Let's see what we do have here. And this is the extender for rotary buffing machine, so we can try this now. So let's see if is this fitting. So I'm gonna try it. So this is the small one. I have to buy. I was buffing something. This is M14. It is fitting. I have another dimension, but you can use, as you can see. It is working. And this is for car washing. 2 hand gloves. This is for cleaning the sunroof hoses where the water leaks, because they can get clots, and you can hopefully clean it with this. What I do have next. And this is a car sticker remover. This is a rubber. I hope this works for the drill. And this is the brush for cleaning the leather seats, and this is from horsehair. And this should be nice for cleaning and these are the brushes for cleaning the seats and the carpet in the car. White color is usually soft, and they should be soft to prevent damage of the carpet or seats. And this is the foam maker. And this bottle should make a foam from the Multistar. I'll try that later. And I bought 2 of them, so I can make the different ratios of a cleaning material. These are P240 sandpaper, and as I can see, they are really good quality. And these are 50 pieces. They are 3 times cheaper than in the local store. This is the car towel for collecting the water from the car. And this should be for cleaning the surface of the car before buffing. And this is the infrared thermometer. I purchased this. I already have one, but this one is up to 600 Celsius. And this is what I need for baking a pizza for my pizza oven. And this is it. And now I'm gonna try to make the foam. I will make the ratio 1.5 and this is now filled with water, this multi-star. This is the all-purpose cleaner, the best way that you can find. And let's see if we can make a foam. I already tried, but yes, you can really make a foam. With this foam you can clean all the buttons in the car with no worry to be damaged. You don't have to be worried about damaging the... You just spray all of that. And now you just need to blow it with air compressor. And this one should be in the larger scale. Let's try to see how this will work. Not bad. And one more thing, I'm selling this aluminum ring. And with this one you are able to mount the facelift M steering wheel to older E39 cars, to pre-facelift cars. And this is the way how you can add some value into your cars, because these cars are going up in value. Not mention only the M5 or 540, but even the basic spec if they are in the decent condition, so you can add an extra value in it. So anyway, if you don't have the E39, you can still buy it as a souvenir, because this is the piece of art. So this is how you can support the channel. You have the price and email down below into the description, so you can order it. Or if you think you don't have enough experience to do it, you can send the steering wheel to me and I can do it for you. And this is it for this video. I hope you like some of those products. I will be using all of them. Thanks for watching, and see you all in the next one.